y'all, what's up? It's your girl A Nicole, and I'm back at it again with another video. Hello, today's video is going to be a remake from Dazzling Designs by Denise. Okay, I just really wanted to attempt to make these candle holders for Mother's Day. Okay, and baby, when I tell you these are inexpensive and they look like $1 million once they're done. Okay, everything from in this video is from the dollar store / Michael's. Okay, so all I did right here in the video, I just took the cap off of the bottle, and what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to take these foil shreds and I'm just going to stuff the bottle with the foil shreds. Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean nothing specific, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this. Oh, just a silly rush. Now, in this clip, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these small tea light candle holders and I'm going to attach it to the top part of the bottle. I'm going to be using this glue called E6000, and it dries clear and it really holds. And this part will be the base of the candle holder. Now, right here, all I did was just flip the bottle over, and now we have our base for our candle. I was super excited. Y'all had to give y'all thumbs up, okay? So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my E6000 and a craft stick, and I'm just going to put glue around the rim of the bottle cap, and I'm just going to place it on the bottom of the bottle, and that's going to be the beginning of the top part of our candle holder. Now, our candle holder is looking so wonderful and so pretty, right? So now what we're going to do, we're going to take another tea light candle holder in a rose shape. And we're just going to take our E6000 glue and we're just going to put some on the craft stick, and then we're just going to apply it to the rose tea light candle holder. And then, you know me, y'all, I like to be extra safe, okay? So what I did is I took some more E6000 and then I put it just on the lid that came with the bottle, just in case, you know, because I don't want anything to fall apart when I'm giving these beautiful gifts out to my loved ones. So you just apply some on the lid and apply some on the tea light candle holder, honey, and then you just gently press it, the rose tea light candle holder, down on top of the lid and hold it there for a little bit. Make sure it's lined up and it's stained, and then you just let it dry. And as always, y'all, make sure you follow your girl on all social media. The links will be in my description box below, okay? And make sure you guys tell a friend to tell another friend, to tell your grandma, to tell your cousins and your aunties and everybody on your block to follow your girl on all social media. And make sure all of y'all hit the subscribe button, okay? Shout out to all my new subscribers. I see y'all. Welcome to the channel, okay? It's gonna get litty, okay? From here on out, it's gonna be litty, okay? And make sure you guys go follow Dazzling Designs by Denise. This is a recreate of her video. She is super, super talented and she is so awesome. Until next time, peace.